Okay, so after a while, we checked and we could not find the tafweej in this list. This means the tafweej is ready. So we go to Mu'tamers and go this time to print tafweej, and then we click on all, search. We will see the tafweej is ready. We have to print two things. Okay, we have to print this one. Click on export and then choose PDF and then export. It will be saved in your computer. Choose where you save it and then it will be right here, and we do it again with this sign like this, export PDF and export. Okay, just like that, and then click on save. Okay, that's it. Then you'll have to send it to your mutawif to print it and give it to the bus driver. That will be all. Thank you for your attention. If you need any help, or if you face any difficulties, please call me or send me a WhatsApp message to help you, and inshallah you will not need. Sorry for this, but you know, this is what Ministry of Hajj and Umrah requires. You know, we only can say okay, sure, we cannot say nothing. Thank you very much for your time, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.